Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color name: black color, sky color, green color, pink color, brown color, orange color, parrot color, yellow color, red color, purple color. Now kids, let's start our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, zad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, वाओ, हा, हमजा, या. Now kids, let's start repeat our lesson. Alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, sad, zad, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, kaf, kaf, lam, mim, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya.